Hi, second grade. Today we're going to review what a topic sentence is. So, topic sentences are basically the main idea of a paragraph. It's really important that we have topic sentences because without them, our paragraph doesn't have as much organization and it doesn't make as much sense. So, when we're reading something for the first time, a topic sentence helps us organize our thoughts and say, okay, I know what this is going to be about or what it's mostly going to be about. So if we can read this anchor chart here, we can see that it is our first sentence. That's the most important thing. It's not the last sentence, right? That's our conclusion. It's not in the middle because that's where our details are. It's the first sentence that we write. Anytime you write a paragraph, no matter what kind of paragraph it is, it should have a topic sentence. The second thing is that they give the main idea of the writing. So we've been talking a lot about main idea when we're reading and how we can find the main idea of a book. It's just as important when we're writing. What is this mostly about? So if I'm writing a paragraph about my memories of second grade, I'm not just going to jump right in. I'm going to say something like, in second grade, I had a lot of really fun memories. And then I'm going to talk about it. You can do the same thing for opinion writing, right? We learned a lot about this when we did our uniform writing, when we talked about should we wear uniforms, should we not. We would make a topic sentence like, students should not wear uniforms for 3 reasons. Then we would explain the 3 reasons. The third note says they give general info about the topic and some details for the writing. So some general information. We don't go too much into the details because that's the whole point of our writing in our paragraph, but it's important that we basically introduce the topic. So with the example of memories from second grade, you might say, I really loved second grade. I had a lot of fun memories and I'm going to tell you about them. That would be your topic sentence for that paragraph. And lastly, they grab the reader's attention. So they're not boring, like second grade was cool, period. Kind of boring, right? I loved second grade. I'm going to tell you all about why I loved it. These are my reasons. That's more interesting. It has more detail, more adjectives, and it gets the reader, the person who's reading your writing, it gets their attention. They're like, oh yeah, I want to keep reading, okay? So for example, if we look down here, you can see that there is a difference between a topic and topic sentences. So the topic would be insects. That can be anything. Anything can be a topic. Food, school, friends, the sky, trees, anything can be a topic. A topic sentence is a full sentence. So if you can see, it says, topic sentence, insects are creatures. Okay, we're getting better. A good topic sentence would be, insects are interesting creatures, or any other kind of adjective. As you can see, the difference between the topic sentence here and the good one is that there's a little more detail. There's an adjective in there. It's not just, okay, they're creatures. Well, yeah, but what are you going to tell me about in your writing? Oh, well, they're interesting creatures. Now, a challenging topic sentence, so if you're up for a challenge, insects are interesting creatures because. So maybe you have a few reasons of why you think insects are interesting and you're going to put them in there. So maybe you'll say insects are interesting creatures because they have different types of legs, they have antennae, and they eat interesting types of food. And then in your details, you would explain those 3 things in great detail. So tell me what about that is interesting. So those are just different examples of what a topic sentence could look like. We really want to focus on this example, the good topic sentence or the challenging topic sentence. This topic up here, just insects, that is not a full sentence. So that's not a topic sentence. It's just a word. It's a phrase. It's a type. It's a category. It's a category of something. It's not a full sentence, so we can't use it at the beginning of a paragraph. So we're going to do some practice. Okay, so we have here a paragraph that is an example that has a great topic sentence. As I read the paragraph, I want you to think to yourself, what is the topic sentence in this paragraph? This is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, get out the bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a butter knife. Next, spread peanut butter on one slice of bread. Then spread jelly on the other slice. Last, put your two slices together. That is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So if we read that paragraph, we can tell we know what it's about. We know it's about making a peanut butter jelly sandwich. That's the topic. But if I just said making a sandwich, that's not a topic sentence, right? That's just a phrase. That's not a full sentence that I could put in a paragraph. So let's read the first sentence again. This is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's the topic sentence, and I know that for a few reasons. One, it is of course the first sentence in the paragraph, but two, it tells me exactly what this is going to be about. Can you imagine if it would just go straight into first, get out bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a butter knife? Well, what are we doing here? I wouldn't know. Can you imagine if that topic sentence wasn't there? It really wouldn't make as much sense as it does now. So we really need that topic sentence so that we can sort of get ourselves ready to understand the whole paragraph. Okay, I know I'm ready to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and that's what I'm about to learn about. Then all these other details with first, next, then, and last tell us exactly how to do that. So our topic sentence gives us what we're doing, and then all the details tell us exactly how to do it. So there are many different ways that we can write topic sentences. We can do them like this with teaching somebody how to do something. We can use them for opinion writing. We can use them for narrative writing. So my example of, I had a lot of great memories of second grade. That's a narrative writing. It tells me what happened during a period of time. So topic sentences are actually used in every type of writing. And today you're going to go on Seesaw and you're going to read some paragraphs and see if you can figure out what is the topic sentence here. So you're going to have some practice writing it. So when you're all done with this video, you can go ahead and go on to Seesaw, and I look forward to seeing you practice your topic sentences.